I just come back from home base. I brought a wireless doorbell because mine's broken, and I've been putting it together and listening to the different chimes, and you wouldn't believe the crap they've got on here. Now, the first chime who has that? Doorbell. It's the theme tune to The Little Mermaid. A doorbell. This is definitely hashtag WTF. It's like these are all different tunes for a doorbell from home base. Okay, I can write with that one. Come on, please don't buy this product. It's garbage. Even though it's £5.99, it's garbage. Please save your money, and I don't know, just I might even throw this in the bin.